Exporting photos correctly is one of the most important final steps in Adobe Lightroom because export settings directly affect image quality, sharpness, file size, and social media performance. Even a professionally edited photo can lose quality if exported using the wrong settings. And honestly, understanding Lightroom export settings can make a huge difference for photographers, creators, and designers. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to export high-quality photos from Lightroom step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Lightroom or Lightroom Classic and finish editing the photos you want to export. Now select the photo or multiple photos you want to export. Click the Export button or go to File and choose Export to open the Export Settings panel. Select where you want the exported photos to be saved on your computer. For most users, JPEG is the best format for social media and general sharing, while TIFF or PNG may be better for professional printing. To maintain high image quality, use a quality setting around 90 to 100%. For printing, use higher resolution settings like 300 pixels per inch, while web uploads usually work well with 72 ppi. If needed, resize images based on where they will be uploaded, but avoid shrinking them too aggressively. And that's your full guide on how to export high-quality photos from Lightroom in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to export sharper, cleaner, and more professional-looking images using Adobe Lightroom.